Hello, children. Welcome to Rai Tuition Classes. We are doing the question lecture number 3 of paper solving, paper number 1. In that, question number 5, I'm doing first part. Okay, a ladder on a platform of a fire brigade. A ladder, try to understand this. Okay, it's given in English. We should try to put it in the form of a right angle triangle. So, see, a ladder on the platform of a fire brigade can be elevated to an angle of 70 degree to the maximum. The length of the ladder can be extended up to 20 meter. If the platform is 2 meter above the ground, find the maximum height from the ground up to which the ladder can reach. A very simple question, and sine 70 is 0.94. So when they say sine 70 in a bracket, okay, when they give something like this, sine 70 is 0. You have to use this, okay? Anyhow, children, I have to put it in the form of a right angle triangle. So a ladder in the form of a, please have a look here, a ladder in the form on the platform of a fire brigade. So this is my fire brigade. Let me try to understand this. Okay, this is my fire brigade. Okay, now this is a platform of the fire brigade. A ladder on the platform of a fire brigade can be elevated to an angle of 70 degree at the maximum. Suppose this ladder is here. Okay, this ladder maximum you can elevate it to an angle of 70 degree. Okay, may more than 70 degree you cannot extend it, like you cannot elevate it further. Okay, this you can. And here again, a ladder on a platform of a fire brigade van can be elevated to an angle of 70 degree to the maximum. The length of the ladder can be 20 meters. The length of this is the ladder, children. The length of the ladder can be maximum 20 meter. Okay, this is maximum 20 meter. Now, if the platform is 2 meter above the ground, this is a platform. Okay, this is 2 meter above the ground. Then the question is, find the maximum height the ladder is reached from the ground. So ladder is reached here, children. So what is this maximum height? Okay, what is this maximum height the ladder is reached from the ground? Okay, this is the maximum height the ladder is reached from the ground. This is the maximum height the ladder is reached from the ground. Okay, this is the maximum height the ladder is reached from the ground. You can see this height, children. Okay, now this height we have to calculate. We have to calculate this height. Okay, this height we have to calculate. Okay, we have to calculate this height. Okay, maximum height the ladder is reached above the ground. So now you can see here, children. Suppose I name it. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, now please have a look here. What is given? AD. Suppose AD, it represents, AD represents, you have to draw, after drawing the figure, I have to explain it. AD represents the length of ladder, and you know the value of AD. Okay, how much is AD, children? 20 meters. So AD equal 20 meter. Okay, AB represents the height of the platform. AB represents the height of the platform. Represents the height of the platform. The height of the platform. Height of platform, Platform. Okay, now please have a look. What is AB equal, children? AB equal 2 meter. Got it? Now I told you, children, DC represents a maximum height of the ladder. DC represents the height ladder reaches above the ground. Ladder reaches above the ground. It reaches above the ground. I want to find this DC. I want to find this DC. I want to find this DC. Children, ये DC का कोई पार्ट मालूम है क्या? ये DC का पूरा DC का पार्ट मालूम है क्या? हाँ मालूम है. You can see here, children, this part I can easily get it. This much part. What happens whenever you see a triangle and a rectangle? First, start with the rectangle. This quadrilateral ABCF is a rectangle. The quadrilateral ABCF is a rectangle. ABCF is a rectangle. You need not give out a reason for it. You understood, because of the definition. All angles are 90. So naturally, when all angles of a quadrilateral are right angles, a quadrilateral is called a rectangle. So ABCF is a rectangle, children. No need of giving any reason. You can understand. This FC equal AB equal FC equal AB equal 2 meters, children. Opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. And now you can see here, children, a part of the real answer we got, okay? Opposite sides of rectangle, okay? See, I want to find the real height DC, but a part of it, FC, I came to know. FC is how much, children? 2 meter. But how to find DF? DF is the side of a right angle triangle. You can see here, children, in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, right angle triangle, DC in right angle triangle DCF. Okay, in right angle triangle DAF. In right angle triangle DAF. Children, in right angle triangle, I'll call it as DAF. You can see this right angle triangle, children. Right angle triangle DAF. Can you see this right angle triangle DAF? Now, naturally, since sin 70 का value दिया है, there's a hint, children. आपको sin 70 use करना पड़ेगा. Sin 70 equal क्या आएगा बेटा? DF, opposite side upon hypotenuse AD. Okay, now what will happen, children? Sin 70 value is 0.94 is equal to DF, I don't know, and AD I know 2. Okay, sorry, this AD I know 20, AD I know 20. So cross multiply, children. 20 into 0.94 is equal to 80, DF. Okay, now when you cross multiply, how much is 0? 9. It becomes 18.8 meters DF. 18.8 meters is DF. But this is not the answer, children. This is not the answer, okay? I want the maximum height. DF I came to know. And FC also I know. So maximum height DC. DC is the maximum height the ladder reaches above the ground. So now I have to find my DC, children. So what am I going to do, children? Now I'm going to find my DC. Okay, so what is my DC, children? You can see here, children. I'm going to rub this off, this special part, this question, okay? This top part, I'm going to use it, okay? I want this DC. So DC equal DF plus FC. How much you get, children? D dash F dash C, okay? DF. DF is how much? 18.8. 18.8. And what is your FC? FC is 2 meter. So naturally this becomes 20.8 meter. So what is the height of the ladder? Answer, height of ladder. Height the ladder reaches, maximum height the ladder reaches above the ground. I can say in short, maximum height, okay, maximum height ladder reaches above ground. Ladder reaches above ground equal 20.8 meter. 20.8 meter. Okay, the maximum height the ladder reaches above the ground is 20.8 meter. I hope everybody understood this question. Now, the fifth question number 5, the first part is over. The second part is remaining. The second part is remaining, children. Second part is remaining.